Before we start, make sure you guys hit the subscription button, the notification bell, like and comment. Let me know about anything. Let me know how I did on this video, if you have any questions, and let me know what you guys want to see from me during this quarantine time. Yes. Hi everyone, I am in my famous bathroom during this quarantine time. I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit more about retention today. Unfortunately, I gotta hold my camera and act as if I'm vlogging for now, but please bear with me. Retention with lashes is so important. You want to make sure that your application on the natural lash is very steady. The bottom of the natural lash, well, not quite, like a little bit, I would say not an inch, but a little bit away from the roots, but the lash extension's bottom has to be sitting flat on top of your natural lash. That is the only way that you're gonna have a good application. Also, too, the products that you use, we have the primer that you want to do, because sometimes people have dirty lashes, oils and dirt, all that sits before you apply the lash extensions. It's best for you to clean the client's lash, prime it, and then apply it the first way that I told you about. Natural lash and lash extensions should definitely be on top of each other correctly. You do not want the end of the lash extensions hanging upwards. And of course, for me, what I do is I purchase RuthieBelle Superbonder. That helps me a lot with my retention. I apply that after my lash set, then I'll put that on there. And what Superbonder does is instantly cure the glue, because you guys know that glue takes about 48 hours or more, depending on which type of glue you have, to really cure. So Superbonder really helps you with that. It helps you go ahead and cure the glue. So once the glue is cured and ready to go, you shouldn't have any issues with that. I personally love RuthieBelle's product. I would definitely do another video once all this is done with the coronavirus, and be really detailed with you guys about every item that I use, what exactly it does, and what will help you. This is just a quick video on retention. Remember, retention is not always your fault, but if you can help it from happening, why not? So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment below, let me know how I did, if the information was helpful, tell me about your experience, and I will talk to you guys another day. Mwah.